Oh, guys, I think so. Actually, don't get Cradle and this is thanks. I like to highlight the pranks right, but like highlight the pranks usually right the things back to the outside. Okay. Yeah, I like to take things like at the like I'm not getting tired like why the heck do they I gotta take straight, I think straight okay. I don't like street. I think that so got so okay. Really get that thing so get that sounding. I don't like things like okay. So okay, I got don't think. This guy doesn't like fuckings. I can't get that so like that things. Get this thing. That sucks. That sucks. Get itself. I can get that. Okay, so I'm going like I take the train, the thing. Okay, that thanks. Okay, now thanks. Okay. Okay. Okay, but get that right. Get that that's right. And that thing and so okay, so carry. So I got a done. I'm going to take the today. Alright. Cause I think that they don't get anything. I don't get vents. This guy ain't. So right. So I think that I think that and thanks. I think that this guy thanks. Okay, so this that thing seems wrong. I think that frame. I'm glad that there's like your frame, but I don't think since then. Okay, I think that thing. So that's a long way to go. But I think, so. Like sometimes that's like I told you that thing. Okay, that thing stink. So, but that's I think there's like, things like the things getting like it takes a tape. Consider that things that thing. That things like they translate, translate, or translate like things like front flights of the train, so I get those right. But thanks, that's right. I think like that thing, so it goes like the thing. I think like I like the tape, kind of the tape, that's right, the tapes. Yeah, things like, yeah, thanks.